Imagine finding yourself on Venus just for 5 seconds. What would happen? It's like stepping into an oven. The average surface temperature of Venus is hotter than the hottest oven. You'd be feeling that intense heat for every one of those 5 seconds. And the air? It's dense, predominantly carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. A toxic environment, to say the least. You're already feeling the heat, aren't you? But things are about to get even more interesting. If you're wondering about how you'd spend your day on Venus, well, you're in for a surprise. Imagine a day that lasts longer than a year. Yes, you heard that right. A single rotation of Venus on its axis takes a whopping 243 Earth days. That's longer than it takes for the planet to complete one orbit around the Sun. Now, if you're trying to mentally schedule your day, it might get a little confusing. To add to the perplexity, Venus spins in the opposite direction to most other planets. This phenomenon, known as retrograde rotation, makes the sun rise in the west and set in the east, contrary to what we're used to here on Earth. So, if you're a stickler for punctuality, or just someone who loves a good sunrise, remember, Venus plays by its own rules. So if you ever lose track of time, Venus might not be the best place for you. Venus isn't just about unbearable heat and long days. It's a world of extremes in more ways than one. Imagine stepping into a place where the air pressure is 92 times greater than what you're used to. That's Venus for you. This intense pressure is akin to being 900 meters underwater. If you've ever dived deep into the ocean, you'd know that it's not a walk in the park. Now, multiply that pressure by 100, and you'll get a taste of what it's like on Venus. But the pressure is just the beginning. The upper atmosphere of Venus is a chaotic whirlwind of hurricane-like winds, constantly swirling at high speeds. These winds are so powerful that they can change the planet's rotation rate. It's like living in the eye of a storm that never ends. Now let's talk about water, or rather, the lack thereof. Venus is incredibly dry. We're not talking about a desert-like dry, but a whole new level of parched. Imagine a world where the concept of rain is alien. That's Venus. The extreme temperatures and pressure have made it impossible for water to exist in a liquid state, making the planet as dry as a bone. And if all that wasn't enough, Venus also houses possibly active volcanoes. That's right. Not only do you have to deal with scorching temperatures, crushing pressures, and relentless winds, but you also might have to dodge a volcanic eruption or two. These volcanoes could be contributing to the planet's dense, toxic atmosphere, making it even less hospitable. Still thinking about that 5-second visit to Venus? It's not exactly a vacation destination, is it? Despite its inhospitable conditions, Venus holds a certain mystery that keeps us intrigued. It's not just the sweltering temperatures or the crushing atmospheric pressure that catches our interest. It's the peculiarities that set Venus apart, the oddities that make it a world of enigma. Let's dive into the Venusian surface, a landscape unlike any other, mapped by the radar eyes of the Magellan spacecraft. This terrain is marked by extensive plains dotted with thousands of volcanoes, some towering higher than Mount Everest. It's a world of fire and brimstone where lava once flowed freely. Yet despite the infernal conditions, Venus is no stranger to snow. But don't get too excited, this snow is nothing like what we have on Earth. It's not a white, fluffy substance that you'd want to make snow angels in. No, Venus's snow is metallic, composed of lead sulfide and bismuth sulfide. These substances condense on the mountain peaks, creating a bizarre, alien snowscape that's utterly captivating. But the mysteries of Venus don't stop at metallic snow. One of the most perplexing phenomena of this world is its superrotation. Imagine an atmosphere that spins 60 times faster than the planet itself. While a day on Venus lasts longer than its year, the top layers of its atmosphere whiz around the planet in just 4 Earth days. It's a meteorological marvel that continues to baffle scientists. The question is, why does this superrotation occur? What drives this atmospheric ballet? The answers are still elusive, shrouded in the thick sulfuric clouds of Venus. Theories suggest the sun's heat could be responsible, creating thermal tides that push the atmosphere around. But the truth? Well, it's still out there waiting to be discovered. Venus, in all its harshness, never ceases to amaze us. It's a world that challenges our understanding, a planet that defies convention. Despite its unforgiving nature, Venus remains a tantalizing subject of study, a testament to the magnificent complexity of our solar system. As we continue to explore, we can only wonder what other secrets Venus holds in its fiery grasp. So, a 5-second visit to Venus? It's a fascinating yet terrifying thought, isn't it? As we wrap up this cosmic journey, let's take a moment to recall what we've learned about our menacing neighbor. Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin, is a world of extremes. With an average temperature hotter than a home oven set to broil, and atmospheric pressure over 90 times that of Earth, it's hardly a hospitable vacation spot. Yet, the harsh reality of Venus serves to underscore the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on our own planet. It's a stark reminder of the consequences when that balance is tipped too far in one direction. Venus also offers invaluable lessons about the universe. Its runaway greenhouse effect is a cautionary tale for Earth. Its dense, sulfuric acid clouds and mysterious geological activity provide rich fields of study for scientists. And its proximity and similarity to Earth make it an ideal candidate for future space exploration. Despite its blistering heat, crushing pressure, and toxic atmosphere, Venus continues to captivate us. It's a world that challenges our understanding, pushes the boundaries of our technology, and fuels our curiosity. So, while a 5-second visit could be your last, the pursuit of knowledge about this enigmatic planet is a journey that's just beginning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos.